A minute until midnight. I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I sit what we had.
What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here at Rap Sesh in Mesa, Arizona. This week we're doing a really fun project. We always get requests for these videos.
This is a project.
This is the project behind us. You guys have no idea. This is only part one of the video series. We're actually going to be doing a couple parts, probably 3 different videos on this car alone. It is a massive undertaking project for us. It's not just a vinyl wrap. It's not like, I can't even get into it.
Well, we could tell them what it is.
A little bit.
This is going to be a full carbon fiber EPF.
A zip.
That's as far as I'm going to tell you.
Zip.
Don't.
Well, you told them too much, so now you kind of got to explain it.
Why? Oh.
So we're wrapping this Dodge Hellcat. We're doing full coverage. So we're doing door jambs and the door interiors in vinyl. We're actually using Avery Gloss Black vinyl today. The exterior of the wrap, we are going to be using one of S-Tech's Fashion Film Clear Bras. So Fashion Film PPF. So it's actually a paint protection film that protects against rock chips and things like that. We're using their brand new
Gloss Carbon.
Dyno Carbon Gloss.
It's honestly the
most
realistic looking carbon I've ever seen.
The most realistic carbon out there on the market. And it's nice because it's got, a 7-year warranty and everything.
It has so much, it looks like an actual resin carbon. Like it's got a lot of depth to it and everything.
So that's gonna be video 2. And then we're also doing a bunch of reflective accents as well. So this car is like literally all out. I think we're also doing headlights, a slip blow install on the front bumper, tail lights, like ceramic coating, like it's a whole list of things.
Yeah.
But the first video today, we're gonna be working on the door jambs. So you can see behind us, the car is painted white, and we did the gloss black vinyl door jambs. The reason why we did that is because we've never done door jambs in clear bra.
I don't think it would work out very well. Plus,
and I think with it being wet,
well, you don't want water to get in the car a lot, obviously.
Well, into the door panels and stuff too.
So we decided to just go with vinyl. It's a safer option.
I mean, vinyl door jambs are hard enough.
It's hard enough as it is.
So I'm not gonna try to do clear bra door jambs. That's just a little over my head right now. But so we are gonna be doing gloss black vinyl door jambs, and we pretty much did this whole section in one piece. Normally, if we were doing like a vinyl color change, we would actually wrap the hip with the door jam. It would go along with the hip. At least in Avery it would. I would trust it with Avery. Some films I might not push that.
Yeah, sometimes on certain cars, they're really deep right here, so it's sometimes better to have it separate.
And I mean, this is just how we do it. So sometimes door jambs are in multiple pieces. Sometimes you can do the sides in one piece.
This is all one piece.
Every car is different.
There's no inlays.
Do what you're comfortable with, but we were able to do this in one piece pretty well.
But the only reason I think is because we used Avery, and Avery is a very conformable film.
Yeah, and this stretch isn't that terrible.
No, it's not. The worst part was probably right here, actually. It was like a 90-degree.
Yeah, that's pretty gnarly.
Deep area. But this, I mean, all this went really well with like, you use a wrap glove, just kind of heat it all in. But
so did you use primer?
I did.
What areas did you use it?
I only primered the really complex areas, like right here.
Where it's like 2 angles coming together?
Right here, where it's like a 90-degree angle. Kind of just the really deep
the really intense
recesses.
part.
But I didn't paint it on, it like just a little tiny strip in there.
And to remove the doors, you started by you took the door panels off, we took the handles off for the exterior wrap, and then you actually removed the entire door.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's pretty easy.
On this car, not too bad, I mean, I can pop these doors on and off, because some cars are really difficult because you have to actually adjust the door, putting it back on. And then there's those cars that you can literally just hook the door on, and it only goes in one spot. Yeah. So this is one of those cars, it's very easy to remove the doors.
The hinges, we don't ever wrap the hinges because they're moving parts.
Yeah.
If they're really like anal about that,
We'll
paint
usually
them.
paint them. Yeah, we'll have them sprayed or plasti dipped that just to keep it temporary.
Yeah, I think the only hinges that we wrap are on Jeeps, and those are the exterior hinges, not the inside ones.
Yeah, I think Jeep hinges are the only ones I've ever wrapped.
So once we have this all wrapped, this probably took a couple hours for Mike to do by himself. We will also wrap the door interior pieces, which we'll get you guys a little shot of. Yep. Those are both in 2 pieces.
Those are in 2 pieces.
So we had the outer piece, which was one U-shaped piece, and then we had the inner piece of the door interior, which was one like thin, long piece.
We just stretched it all the way around.
A big, huge strip, yeah. So we used 2 different pieces there, kind of hid the seams in the door seals that pop back on.
Yeah, there's a rubber seal that goes all the way around that seals the door to the car, and if you remove that, you can just seam it right there all the way around, and then put it back on, and it's seamless.
And then we were also utilizing our Innovative Tools stand. I think it's an X stand.
The X stand?
I think that's the name of it, but it's a really nice padded stand that you can set panels on and everything, so we wrapped those on there. You'll see them in the video. And then pretty much we wrap the door jambs first, and then the exterior wrap is gonna cap all the interior jambs.
So when I do this hip, I'm gonna it's gonna wrap around and cap probably a 1/4 inch inside of this the whole way.
Yeah, and if we need to, what we can do is also lamb strip that seam if you want that to be sealed as well.
Definitely preferred.
It's preferred, especially since we're putting clear bra on the outside and then vinyl on the inside.
Plus, clear bra has a tendency to have a bounce back, like it wants to go back. And so if you don't give it that extra secured, securability.
Security?
Security?
Good try.
What would that be?
If you don't give it extra security?
Okay, if you don't give it extra security, it's definitely going to want to probably bounce back on you.
Yeah. And then the biggest thing to remember, especially when you're doing these intense stretches, is to post heat, like so well. We are actually using our Image Impact 1 IR heaters. These are both from Fellers. I have one turned vertically, and we were pretty much just running this.
You can turn this vertically or horizontally, and you can just kind of do sections at a time, set it on there for a few minutes. It doesn't take much, but not with that thing.
Oh, this stuff is hot. You actually got to watch out, because if you get too close, you can definitely burn your wrap.
You really have to be careful, especially with interiors, where you're aiming that. Because if you walk away and you say you forget about it, and it's sitting there for 10 minutes on this plastic, it's probably gonna melt it.
For sure.
So you want to really stand there and just kind of watch it the whole time.
It should be like hot enough to touch, but only just.
Only just?
Kind of like you.
Stop. Oh my gosh.
Stop. Too cute. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. We hope you enjoyed our door jam video. It's been a while since we've done one.
It has. It's been almost a full year since I've done a door jam.
Yeah, it's been a minute.
Yeah.
Huge shout out to Fellers, of course, where we get our film. Once again, this is the Avery SW900 gloss black. Thank goodness, it's so easy to lay this film down. I love it.
Yes, I was like, the whole time I was just like, oh my gosh, like, yeah.
It goes.
Because there are certain films that are a little bit more rigid. This film especially, I think the black, it's just so saturated.
I feel like Avery is like one of the easier films just to install in general.
Definitely.
Like, it's just my go-to for simple color changes.
Especially for high, really complex areas.
Complex stretches. Avery is so easy to lay down.
Definitely.
So for the shout out as well to 060 for our awesome swag today. The Turbo Snail. They've got lots of cool car enthusiast swag on their website at 060.life. That's also where they're doing our fantasy car giveaway. If you guys don't know already, you have until October 15th to enter and win our Porsche Glow-Rest car, as well as 10,000 cash.
I want that car.
It's really cool. So however much money you spend on the website on gear gives you a certain amount of entries, and they're gonna draw the winner on the 15th. So really soon.
Yeah.
And hopefully we do a lot of more awesome fantasy car giveaways with them too.
I hope we will.
Yeah, we got some good things cooking, guys. If you guys want to stay tuned, make sure you tune in next week. You need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be doing the video on the S-Tech clear bra install, as well as the overall car project.
You're gonna wanna watch that.
Yes, it's gonna be so cool. Make sure you check out our Facebook and Instagram as well at RapSeshAZ and Vinyl Vixen Raps. And please, please, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe. And we'll see you guys next week. Turbo Snail. You're slow, you're supposed to be slow.
Oh, you're slow. I'm a fast snail.
I'm a slow snail.